Hey there, quick review on this MaxxHaul aluminum ramp top kit. Really nice kit here. Comes with the two pieces you need to make your own ramps, along with all of the bolts and hardware that you need. Comes with carriage bolts, lock nuts, and then for the very top of your ramp, they also give you these pins so that if you want to pre-drill some holes wherever it is that you typically use these ramps, you'll be able to drop a pin in there and keep the ramp from moving around. You'll see that everything is pre-bent on here and you've got a really nice finish. It's thick aluminum, so you know that these are not going to rust. And then it's got kind of like a serrated edge at the top here to give a little bit of extra traction. Now these will drop onto your tailgate, the end of a trailer. It could even be a door threshold if you're ramping something into a house with your own homemade ramps. These could be used for all kinds of different things. You'll see at the end of my 2x here, I cut a 15-degree bevel on the end of it. That is gonna make it made up really nicely and match with the angles of the ramps, as you can see here. Now this is just a really great all-around product. If you wanna make your own homemade ramps for any purpose you can imagine, this is gonna be fantastic. This kit is 7¼ inches wide, so it's designed to be used with your standard 2x8. Ready to go, make your own ramps, fantastic product, nice beefy, thick aluminum here. I would recommend it.